Hey, look at that, folks. I have running water, and I'm homeless. I'll show you what I did. You probably hear the pump. There's an accumulator. There's a pump, battery, solar. Water. Okay, we're almost there. I'm still waiting for the hot water heater to arrive, and so that's going to take a little bit of time, and then once I get it mounted, I will have cold on this side, hot on this side, running water. That ice chest below the pump system holds 10 gallons of water, which is more than sufficient to clean this really dirty sink that I'll have to clean up. But this allows me to have my dishes, wash my dishes, and be near my cooking area. So I'm setting it up much like the triangle, the working triangle in a home. And so sink, stove, refrigerator, stove, sink, layout like a good operating home kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.